In this video, I will explain like how you can run multiple jobs using single job. In my palette, I have three jobs available: master job, test job, and working with context job. And I want to run this test and working with context job by using master job. So first of all, we have to simply drag and drop these two jobs here, and we have to set their property. If we want test to run first and working with context later, then we have to join these two jobs by using on subjob OK connector. The second thing, if you want to pass the value of the context variable used in the master job to another sub job, or you can say child job, then you have to just simply click it and have to check this transmit whole context. So whatever variable you are using here and their value will pass to the child job. Okay, and this working with context transmit whole context. You can also uncheck this die on child error if you don't want your job to be die. Okay, so like this way you can run multiple sub job, or you can say multiple job using single job by giving their priority of the job.